Are you looking for a reliable way to convert Thunderbird mailboxes into NSF format? Welcome to WholeClear Thunderbird to NSF Converter is designed to help you export Thunderbird emails into Lotus Notes NSF files effortlessly, including all attachments. Powerful features of WholeClear Thunderbird to NSF Converter. Convert Thunderbird mailboxes to NSF. Easily migrate all your Thunderbird emails into NSF format without any hassle. Keep attachments and email attributes safe. All email properties like to, from, subject, date, and attachments remain intact. Maintain complete data originality. No data loss or alteration during the conversion process. Support bulk mailbox conversion. Convert multiple Thunderbird mailboxes at once to save valuable time. Simple steps to migrate Thunderbird mailboxes to IBM Notes. Step 1. Install and launch the WholeClear Thunderbird to NSF Converter. Step 2. Select the Thunderbird default location and click on Next. Step 3. Choose the desired Thunderbird options and load your mailbox files. Step 4. Select NSF as the output file format. Step 5. Use the Browse button to choose a destination location and click Convert Now. Within just a few minutes, your Thunderbird data will be successfully converted into NSF format, ready to be imported into IBM Notes without any difficulty. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.